Have you ever tried to copy math equations from Grok to Word, only to find that the formatting breaks? In this video, I'll show you a simple way to copy equations from Grok to Microsoft Word while keeping the original formatting. Here, Grok has generated a response containing several mathematical equations. If I copy the response normally and paste it into Word, some of the equations may appear incorrectly or lose their original structure. Instead, let's get started with this simple method. First, open Google and search for the Chrome Web Store. Click the Chrome Web Store link to open it. Then, search for AI Chat Exporter Background and select this extension. You can also find the extension link in the video description. Click Add to Chrome to install it. Once the extension is installed, return to your Grok conversation and reload the page. Now you'll see additional export options directly inside Grok AI in the upper right corner and below Grok's response. Select the Word export option, and the extension will automatically convert the conversation into a Word document. Once the export is complete, open the file on Microsoft Word. As you can see, the text and mathematical equations are transferred into Word with their formatting preserved. You can also edit the equations directly in Word, including the values, symbols, fractions, and exponents. Compared to copying and pasting normally, this method keeps the equations much closer to the original formatting in Grok. This is especially useful when your Grok response contains multiple formulas and you want to move the entire answer to Word without copying each equation manually. So, if you frequently copy equations from Grok to Word, using an exporter extension is a quick and simple solution. Next, watch this video to learn how to copy equations from ChatGPT to Word.